This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, spare tire kit, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, awning, water heater, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, leveling jacks, LP detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is 11,377 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.